Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to K2 Blogging, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix font issue in your Blogger website. So as you can see, I run a PageSpeed test in PageSpeed Insight and I got around 79 score, and when I scroll down you will see there is some font issues on my Blogger website. You can see first one is the Bootstrap icon and second one is the Google font. Let's click on network dependency tree, and here also you will see the same font issue, CSS font family, and then you have the Google font, gstatic fonts.gstatic.com, and then bootstrap icon.min.css. So let's check how you can fix all these issues in our Blogger website. So this is the website, and here I am using a custom font. So let me click on here. So this is a Chrome extension where you can inspect the font of a website, and you can see here we are using the leaks pattern custom font here. So we need to replace this Google font with a system font so that it will not take time to load on our website and the site will load faster. And we will also fix the Bootstrap icon. That is this icon, you can see there is this arrow icon, then you have social media icons and all the share buttons, search icons. So all these icons are loaded using the Bootstrap, which is a external third-party resources. So we need to fix that as well. So for this, let's go to the Blogger dashboard. And before making any changes, make sure to take a backup of your theme code so that if you make any mistake during this process, then you can easily restore it to the previous version. Now let's click on edit HTML. Now scroll down, and here you can see the font family, site font, and this is the font, and we have the leaks pattern font here, and this is the font family. Let me scroll down, and here is the font, body font set to Cairo, and then you have the main font family. So we need to replace all these fonts with a system font. So what I can do is I will just delete all these and I will add system UI, system-UI, and we will replace all these fonts, body fonts, and then I will replace the title font, and then we will replace the meta font as well, and then text font. Don't change the icon font, that is important, and everything is okay. Now scroll down, and you need to find the font used on your theme. So it will vary depending upon your theme. So let me scroll down here, and here is the code, and you can see Google font. So we need to remove all this Google font code. So this is the Google font here, and then you have the Cairo font, and then you have Bootstrap icon. So let me quickly remove the Google font code from here. We don't need this one. Now we can't remove the Bootstrap icon completely, so that we need to replace a code like this. So let me copy it and I will paste it here. So what I have done is I have added a real preload to the link tag. So this is the link tag of Bootstrap icon. So I have added a real preload on it, and then I have added onload function with style state, and then we have added a no script tag with the actual Bootstrap icon link. So now we don't need this one, so we can remove this and we can use it after the Bootstrap icon like this. Now let me click on save. Now if you are using other theme, then you can also check for Google font here. Let me click on edit, and here let me scroll down, and you can find the font here. So you can see font body heading, and this is the font face, font family to Noto Sans. So you can remove all these like this in other themes. So the font implementation may vary depending upon your theme. So you need to check how the font is implemented on your Blogger theme, and you can remove all the Google fonts and replace it with system UI font, so that the font will not take time to load on your website and it will load faster. And by default Google font need to download from the Google server and then render it in your browser. But if you use system font, then there is no downloading, only render it on the browser itself. So let's check the page speed again. So let me scroll off and let me open this in a new tab, and let me copy the page URL and let me read on the test again. Now let me scroll down here, and here let me click on network dependency tree, and you can see the Bootstrap icon is now removed. But earlier, if you go to the network dependency, you will see the fonts here, fonts.google API, then Bootstrap icon. So all these icons are loading in the beginning, but we can fix that and we can exclude all these Google font and load the Bootstrap icon later on this website, so that it will not block the initial view of the website. So this is how you can fix Bootstrap icon. And earlier you will also see different error. You have like render blocking request, and then you have the Google font and Bootstrap icon. And if you click on here, all these options are now gone. There is one more error, font display. Consider setting font display to swap or optional to ensure text consistency. So we can do that in case of Bootstrap icon. So let's ignore that. Otherwise, all these errors are now gone, like Google fonts and render blocking request error is now solved in this new test. So this is how you can fix font issue in your Blogger website and improve your site loading speed. So if you face any issue during this process, then do let me know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to check out our PageSpeed improvement playlist, where I have made several videos on how to improve the speed of Blogger website. So I have included the link in the description. Just click on it and watch the full playlist so that you can improve your Blogger website speed. Thank you.